What's up, YouTube? I'm Erica.
I'm Tanner, and we're the Timmonses.
And we are a couple who loves to travel with our two Bernedoodles. Girls, come here. Come here. Girls, come here. Come here.
Come here, Bees.
Come here.
Come here, Bill.
Come here.
This is Beasley.
This is Beasley.
Bailey.
Bailey,
Come here, Bill.
Come here.
And this is Bailey.
Bailey.
Come here, Bill.
Come here.
This is Bailey.
And this is Bailey.
We decided to start a YouTube channel together to not only document it for you guys, but more importantly to document it for ourselves, so we have these memories to watch back.
For a lifetime. This weekend we are camping in Big Bear Lake, California, and it's our first time here, so we're excited to do some hiking, check out the lake, play with the dogs, and we want to take you guys along with us.
Today's Friday. We just got to camp. Tonight we don't have anything planned really. We are gonna set up camp right now. Then we might go into town, grab some dinner. Tomorrow we're gonna do a hike in the morning. Then we're gonna take the dogs down to the lake and hang out by the lake for the day. And that's all we got planned for right now.
So without further ado, let's get this car unpacked so we can get some food because we are hungry.
Let's do it. All right, we just wrapped up dinner at Oakside. Pretty good. I got a pulled pork sandwich.
I got the Oakside burger, which was a half-pound burger with some crispy onions on top and just some fries. And overall, a really, really good burger. Fries, just typical fries, but very good burger. Really good spot with a lot of different options.
Out of 10.
Oh, out of 10. I'm gonna go 8 out of 10.
I would say 7 out of 10 for my pulled pork sandwich.
You liked it.
It was good. Pork could have been a little more tender. And
how was the sauce level though?
Good amount of sauce. Coleslaw was good. Coleslaw had nice runniness to it. And then the
peak runniness.
And then the onion straws on top were a nice touch, but overall pretty good. So we're gonna head back to the campsite now, just hang out with the pups, start a fire, and call it a night.
Come here. Hey. Come.
Dirty mouth girl.
We're done with the sticks. Okay? Can you sit?
Good morning, friends. We just got up for the day. We ended up sleeping in the car last night. On the way up here, we realized that we forgot our blankets and pillows. Got down in the 40s last night, so it was a little cold, and we had no blankets for the dogs. Normally we bring some. All we had was our sleeping bag, so we figured it'd probably be a little too cold in the tent, so we decided to sleep in the back of the car. Fortunately, we have a 4Runner, so we were able to put the sleeping pad back there. We did fit. It's pretty sizable back there. Not the biggest. So that's Bailey's morning. Anyhow, back at the Forerunner, we were able to fit back there. First we were hot, then we were cold. It's not the best night's sleep, but it was much better than freezing in the tent. So right now we're gonna cook some breakfast and we're gonna go on a hike. We're hiking to Bertha Peak this morning. Then we'll come back, grab some lunch, and then we're gonna head down to the lake, let the dogs hang out there, do some swimming, hopefully get them to do some swimming. Yeah, just relax by the lake for the rest of the day. So come along. Here's what we got on the menu for this morning. I'm gonna make a breakfast burrito. Erica's just gonna do a breakfast scramble. But we have eggs in here. Shout out to our friend Ben with this genius idea. Just put your eggs in a blender bottle instead of having to carry the carton. Throw your lid on, shake it up. You got scrambled eggs. We got some potatoes left over, some chicken breast left over. We got some black beans, some cheese, tortillas, and we got some pineapple and some bananas on the side. Hello friends, we have obviously made it back to camp. We've had a great day. We've actually been here for probably an hour, 2 hours, just kind of relaxing, hanging out, taking it easy. We started the day with the Bertha Peak hike, which was a great hike. Would definitely agree with all trails, rating it at moderate. It wasn't anything too crazy.
It said 2.7 miles on all trails, but it was probably closer to like 3.
Yeah, definitely. What do you have?
Mine was 3.2.
3.2, mine was 3. I started mine late though. It was a good hike, just had some steep spots here and there. What was not cool about the hike is that we saw a rattlesnake, a black rattlesnake.
Terrifying.
Southern
rattlesnake.
South Pacific?
Girls.
Southern Pacific? Come here. Southern Pacific rattlesnake?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I forget.
It was terrifying. It literally ran across or slithered across the trail in front of me, and I
We had a heart attack.
literally yelled, "Oh shit."
But that was on the Pacific Crest Trail, so there's a little part of the trail we did today goes onto the Pacific Crest Trail, which was really cool.
That was for sure the highlight of the hike itself. Is the beginning piece of it is on the Pacific Crest Trail, which is kind of cool. So we did that a little bit,
Yeah.
like a half mile maybe. Left the hike, went and got some lunch, and we went to Amangela's.
Tanner can't say it, which is why
I've said it wrong 4 times, probably more today.
It's like Amanda and Angela combined.
Correct. So we got some sandwiches there. Highly recommend.
Really good sandwiches, really big sandwiches. They make all their homemade bread every day, which was amazing. I got a basil garlic focaccia, and Tanner got the
Italian herb focaccia. There's like 4 or 5 different focaccia
that you can choose.
Flavors. I don't know. Of bread. Different versions of focaccia. I don't know. Anyway, very good. Definitely recommend. Huge portion. And we went to the lake from there and hung out there for probably an hour or so. Let the dogs swim. Got a little bit of sun.
Yeah, there's a really nice beach area that you can hang on, and it wasn't too crowded. People had their dogs fishing or kayaking off of there, and I don't know what that road was called, but it was like by the bridge. Right? There was like
I'll put it on the screen what road we were right off of. We were literally right off of that bridge. I can't remember. It's like some cut through road. I'm not quite sure, but I'll put it on the screen here. I took a dip in the water. It was very cold. It's certainly an alpine lake. Can confirm. We just started the fire here. Tonight's dinner, which I'm very excited for. We got flank steak that's been marinating in a soy teriyaki sauce for the past 48 hours. So we're gonna throw that on the grill. We got some pre-cut red and green peppers and onions, and then we have some pre-cooked rice that we brought with us as well. So we're gonna chow down, hang out, probably gonna go back to the lake, fly the drone around, try to get some cool shots.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting you want to do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Not sure if Erica's gonna join.
I don't know.
But I'm gonna do that. We're just gonna call it a night from there, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Yes, while I convince Tanner to go to the Alpine Zoo.
Yes.
We're going to do it.
It's going to be electric.
It is. There's a really cool Alpine Zoo here that rehabs wildlife, and there are bears and all different kinds of animals, and they're just rehabilitating them because they can't survive in the wild. So, got to check it out.
All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow. morning, fam. We just got up, just got moving. We're going to start tearing down camp, and then we're going to head into town. Erica wants to grab breakfast at this place called Teddy Bear.
Teddy Bear.
We're going to try to beat the wait.
There's probably going to be a wait.
Apparently, it's a small place, but it's really good, super popular. It's like an old school diner type vibe. So we're going to check that out.
And then we're going to go to the zoo. I convinced Tanner. It's a small zoo, so probably will only take an hour before we head out. So we will take you guys along with us for our morning.
What's up, guys? We just finished the zoo. It was cooler than I thought it was going to be. I won't lie. But we're just going to head home now. We're about 2.5 hours right now, so there's not a ton of traffic, which is good. But yeah, it was a great weekend. It was a great time.
We had fun bringing you guys along for the ride, and we have a lot more trips coming up this summer, so make sure to subscribe to our new YouTube channel if you want to come along for more adventures with us.
If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. This is our first video of doing this, so
trying to figure out what we want to do, what we want to say. So
yeah, it's been a journey within itself, just filming all of this stuff
Figuring it out.
on top of the weekend. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.